latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
While addressing the media, US President once again reiterated his goal of vaccine for the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. In what was an upbeat statement, Donald Trump affirmed that he hopes a vaccine for the COVID-19 will be developed by the end of the year.
They started, actually, I guess you heard in January, early January, and they've been working on it. I know so many, and private companies have been working on it. The government's been working on it. So we've got the time because we put and they've literally been working 24 hours a day. So we've got the time, and we hope to be able to do something by the end of the year or shortly thereafter. But again, it's not solely vaccine-based. Other things have never had a vaccine, and they go away. So I don't want people to think that this is all dependent on vaccine, but a vaccine would be a tremendous thing.
Scientists from across the world are working to find a cure for the deadly pandemic, which has already claimed the lives of over 3 lakh people. When quizzed about what happens if other countries develop a vaccine first, the US president said that America is working closely with its allies and even with those who are not its allies. He added that whichever country gets it first will be proud to share it.
Yeah, and we have that very well worked out. Whoever gets it is going to be very proud to give it and develop it. They've developed it, and we'll see what happens. We've got countries that are allies we have some countries, frankly, that aren't allies where we're working very closely together. So we're working together with many different countries. And again, we have no ego. We have no ego. Whoever gets it, we think it's great. We're going to work with them. They're going to work with us. Likewise, if we get it, we're going to be working with them.
Donald Trump linked the vaccine project with Operation Warp Speed. It is an effort to accelerate the development of a vaccine and medical treatments for the coronavirus by January. US President Donald Trump also announced 2 leaders of Operation Warp Speed. The leaders are Moncef Slaoui, an ex-head of GlaxoSmithKline's vaccine division, and a 4-star Army General, Gustave Perna. The goal of Trump's Operation Warp Speed is to make 100 million doses of the vaccine available by November, 200 million doses by December, and 300 million doses by January. Donald Trump, in a fairly mocking way, also said that the US will donate ventilators to India and added that America stands with India and Narendra Modi during this pandemic.
Sending a lot of ventilators to India. I spoke to Prime Minister Modi, and we're sending quite a few ventilators to India. We have a tremendous supply of ventilators.
Trump's statement comes a few weeks after India supplied hydroxychloroquine to the US, after Donald Trump personally spoke to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and requested for it to fight COVID-19. Meanwhile, US remains the worst affected country from the COVID-19. America has reported over 1.4 million cases and more than 87,000 deaths due to the deadly pandemic.